So these are our tire cleats in case you get stuck. Just a strap and a piece of metal. You're going to need some mill felt or rubber to protect the rim. You're going to want to offset them on the tires when you do it and stay away from valve stems. So to put this on, put the ratchet towards the outside and then feed the strap through one of the holes in between your tires. And then put either mill felt or rubber in to protect the wheel from the ratchet, and then tighten it down. And that'll stay like that. Then we'll go to the other side and install that one offset from the first one. So because the other one we put towards the front of the truck, this one we're going to go towards the rear of the truck. That'll help us get unstuck. Don't go any more than 5 miles an hour, and make sure your axles are locked in so you get grip with both sides.